Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, we're talking about the awesome Xiaomi MIX Fold 4, a phone that's not just a step, but a giant leap into the future of mobile tech. Let's start with its design. Imagine having not one, but two super smooth OLED screens, giving you vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling from both the front and back. Under the hood, it's a powerhouse. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a massive 1TB of storage, it's like carrying a supercomputer in your pocket. Plus, the 5000 mAh battery and lightning-fast 100W charging keep you powered up all day. Now, let's talk cameras. The MIX Fold 4 snaps stunning photos with its 50 megapixels main camera, ultra-wide lens, and new telephoto camera for incredible zoom shots. And here's the kicker. It's not just a phone. With two-way satellite communications, you stay connected even off the grid or in emergencies. The Xiaomi MIX Fold 4 isn't just a smartphone, it's a game-changer in mobile tech. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.